What's up, YouTube? As you all know, this is Mpumeleli Zimba all the way from True Lemons Records. Today, guys, I got you another video, and I want to explain more about changing the photo to be black and white. So, by now, guys, the video is about how to change the color to any two colors you like. So most of the people out there they will always make the photo to be black and white, which means they change the photo in to be two colors, which is black and white. So you can also change the color to be black and yellow, guys. I did show you in my previous video how to change the color to be black and white and black and any color. But now, guys, what if you want to change your photo to be not black and yellow, to be a pink, light pink and purple? Do you see? So these black, pink and purple don't include black, don't include white. So how can we do that using PhotoPad? So guys, the first and only thing that we'll do is to go straight to color, because we are talking about colors. We know, guys, we don't even touch those, and we don't even stress ourselves by touching this, because this change the entire photo to be a certain color. So you see, this means this is purple. Change the color into purple and turn this and turn normal. Okay, first of all, normal bait got a blue shirt. You see, I don't know what this is, a shade or whatever, but when we move it, it changed this to be an opposite of this color, and also change this to be the opposite of this color, so we cannot use this. And this is okay. Norma Bates is the name he used from Base Motel. um, this is one of the best actors in the world. So this guy is Freddie Highmore. If you don't know this person, this is Freddie Highmore, guys. Today I just want to show you how to change the color in the picture. So guys, when I told you last week that when we change the color to black and white, we use gradient map. But gradient map helped me a lot from changing colors from changing photos to different colors. So now today, guys, we want to change a photo to be pink and purple. So this is a guy, we cannot change that. So we have to first click here. When you click here, guys, you can notice that your set marker color changes from white to black. When you click here, it will change from black to white. So when I click here, guys, that means now I'm holding this bar, so I can change this to any color I want. So let's say a high more want it to be. So okay, this side usually become a strong color. Then we say blue. We want strong blue. Do you see now the color is blue and white? Then you also click here. When you click here, you change this side to be light blue. You click OK. Then the picture will be light blue. Okay, let's focus to another video, guys. What else we can change? Let's use this picture. Okay, I don't know those kids. I just like the kids. I don't know those kids. I just like the kid. So again, let's change this photo. Go straight here. You click here. It's very cute when it's black and white. I like it. Very cute when it's black and white. But let's change it to be blue. Okay, let's change it to be red. Okay, let's not select a strong red. Select a very very weak red and go here. Then to another side, we select pink and we select light pink. purple. So guys, this look like the same color, so that's why the entire image decided to change. So let's make it to be more whitish so that you can see what is going on here. Then yeah, then you can see, okay, we got two kids, please, and the kid, female and the male. So, and we have changed it. So now we can move to this, to move it to that side. When we move this side, we forced in this color to move to the direction, to this direction. This is better white, and this is much better. Okay, now let's focus to the last photo that I will use. Use this kid again. So, okay, first of all, it will be black and white. Good. Okay, now um, let's make it to be clean. Okay, okay, guys. The secret here, guys, of doing this is you need to have a strong color and another side to have a very weak color. You cannot put strong colors on both sides. Let's make an example. Here I put a strong red, then even in another side I put strong red. I put um, strong orange. So guys, oh, this is even cute, but guys, this is it is cute. I love it. But guys, you can see how it look. The person is not clear, so I prefer, guys, to decrease this color to be a very less, not that is not strong. So you see how cute is it. Then you move it to this way. So guys, this is how you create. This, guys, is how you create your photos to be any other two colors excluding black and white. Thank you a lot, guys, for watching. Thanks a lot, guys. Catch me in another video.